Hi, I'm Gary Sullivan. I've been helping homeowners with their homes for over 40 years in the greater Cincinnati area. And I'll tell you, we've got a problem here. We have leaky basements. And the reason we have leaky basements is we have real heavy clay soil. So we dig a hole, we plant a house, the water rises up, they're not properly drained around the house, so you get a leaky basement. And we're finding this even with homes that are just 10 and 15 years old. Well, here's why I want you to call EverDry Waterproofing, because they do it right. They control the water on the outside of the home and also the inside of the home. They also have an easy breathe ventilation system for the basement, makes it smell fresh. Now they also do stone foundation and crawl spaces. The whole works. But the best part, it comes with a lifetime transferable warranty. So if you sell your home, the warranty goes with the home. Not a bad deal. Call the experts at EverDry Waterproofing right now to schedule your free basement inspection. EverDry 874-7200.